In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your iPhone is stuck with the message about critical alerts. So if you've got this message on your screen that says would like to send you critical alerts, sometimes you can just dismiss this error message by clicking the allow button, but other times it gets stuck on your screen and there's kind of no way to get rid of it. So there is one method we can use to fix this, and that's force restarting your iPhone. So in order to do this, you just simply need to press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then you need to hold the power button on the side of your device. So I'm going to do that with you now so you can see what that looks like. I'm just going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then hold this side button here. And you need to keep holding it down, and you may get something on the screen pop up like this with slide to power. You're just going to ignore all of this and keep holding it down until eventually the iPhone goes dark and goes black. And then what will happen is the Apple logo will reappear. And when you see this Apple logo, you can then release the power button like so, and that will have now fixed the critical alert error message. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.